Good morning, fellows. It's me, Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of the precious metal gold. Guys, taking a look at the precious metal gold, the market is trading with a bullish bias. I must say that there's a sideways movement in the market, considering the fact that investors are confused whether to go long or short based upon, today is going to be one of the most important trading day. As we have the series of economic events coming out from the US economy, especially the focus is going to be on the FOMC projections, federal fund rate. Then we have FOMC statement, FOMC press conference, and besides that, we have core retail sales data from the USA. And later on, before that, during the European session, we have CPI figures, core CPI figures from the UK economy. So guys, like all in all, it's going to be a very busy day from trading viewpoint because investors' focus is going to be on the FOMC. Therefore, we are likely to expect a choppy session in the market. Market may go up, go down, and show us a sideways movement or a choppy movement in the precious metal gold. In any case, the market is pretty much likely to trade with a bullish bias above 1950 or 1952 area. Guys, this is the same level that we discussed about yesterday. As you can see on the 1 hourly time frame, the precious metal gold has not been able to violate this particular level. And 1952 is extending a very solid resistance to the precious metal gold. Well, there are two things that we need to keep an eye on. First of all, excuse me. First of all, the FOMC meeting is going to be there, and in the FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve is not expected to change their interest rate. They are likely to keep it at 0.25%. However, let's suppose, guys, we never know about the monetary policy decisions. Anything can happen anytime. So for example, if Federal Reserve decide to cut the interest rate for, let's say, 0.10% or maybe even more than that, there is going to be a sharp spike in the market and the gold prices may jump towards 1972 and 1985 level. But I assure you, this is the extremist case. Like, this is the likelihood of or the probability of that event happening in the market is near to 0%, right? However, the press conference is going to be the main highlight of the day. If Federal Reserve Jerome Powell says that economy needs the support or accommodation, even that is going to make the US dollar weaker, and we may see a bullish trend in the market, and that may lead gold prices towards 1964 and 1972 level. While on the other hand, in case of hawkish statement, hawkish means that when they speak about the contractionary monetary policy, that the economy is performing really well, and this is going to, they don't need any rate cuts anymore. So this is going to drive a sharp selling bias in the precious metal gold, and the violation of an upward trend here is very much likely to drive a sharp dip in the precious metal gold. The initial dip can be up to 1939 level or 38 level, and below this, the next target for gold is likely to be 1924. But again, 1938 is going to be the first level, and 1924 actually depends upon the intensity of the press conference and the hawkishness of the Jerome Powell tone. So all in all, everything depends upon the FOMC statement and the rate decision. So keep an eye on the US session, because there is going to be a sharp fluctuation in the market. If you want to take a buy position, take it above 1952, and the sell positions will be preferred below 1950 level today. So guys, that's pretty much it about the precious metal gold. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself and have a very profitable session ahead. Bye bye everyone. That's all. Have a very nice weekend. See you guys next week with more forecast videos. Take care guys. Bye bye.